I have four servers to create this Ansible project. First two is CentOS 8 and second two is Ubuntu. So on CentOS VM1 I am going to install Ansible. So let's start for installation of Ansible. So this is my CentOS machine. Hostname CTL is for system information and IP address. I am checking IP address is 192.168.0.1. So let me log in from Putty. I'm logging from GitBash. So GitBash is my favorite tool to get access through SSH of any Linux machine. So I'm logging to SSH 192.168.0.1. Put password, yes, password. I logged successfully on my VM1. So in this CentOS 8, I'm going to install Ansible. So just I'm verifying, is that same machine or some other one? Yeah. So for Ansible installation, we need to install first EPL repository. So first we will clear memory. So by running DNF memcache. So it's clearing the memcache memory from this DNF memcache. So it will take little time to clear all these cache. Yeah, it's done. Then Ansible packages are in EPL repository. So we need to install EPL repository by running commands dnf install EPL hyphen release. So it's installing now. EPL repository is installing. See, all packages is getting download from internet. So make sure that your system has high speed internet. Then DNF install and DNS in repo list. DNF repo list. So it will show that EPL repo G3 to here. See extra packages for enterprise Linux model. E for extra, P for packages, E for enterprises Linux, EPEL. So that is a long form of that EPL repository. So EPL repository is showing now in my CentOS machine. So I'm clearing the cache memory of repositories. So it's done now. So DNF install Ansible. This Ansible package is getting download from AppStream repository. AppStream is by default in CentOS EPL what we install right now. So right currently, so Python packages is going to download. Related to Python, if Python required, Python packages is going to download. Python and Ansible is correlated to each other. So While installing Ansible, Python package is also getting download and installed. So Ansible package right now, Ansible is getting going to install. Installing this, whatever is log showing installing, that packages yes, are going to install. Installed packages are so down. So, and now completed the Python and Ansible packages installation has been completed. So here Ansible version. If you want to check, you need to type command Ansible hyphen version. Yeah, so Ansible has been installed successfully to my CentOS 8 machine. So latest Ansible version is 2.9.7 and Python is 3.6.8.